Secret Weapon having another slow morning. Bunker finally hooked the fish. Not sure yet, it's shaking a little, maybe a bluefish. Got Elias with me again this morning. What a great time. Take a look here. This is a nice fish. Oh, it's a big old bass. It's a big old bass. Oh, yeah, it'll fit that. Man. Not cool. Secret Weapon, got dinner again.
What a morning, man. We're not slamming them, but at least we got quality fish today. What do you think, man? 36? Shoot, I got one of those right here. Let me see it. Let me see it. Ooh, yeah. I gotta let this one go, man. It's all good, man. It's all good. Summer doldrums are coming, man. We better cash in while we can. I happen to be off tomorrow, too. We salvaged another trip finding bunker. There's a nice 31-inch fish. Elias's fish is 41 inches, 27 pounds. Nice fish. Twice the size of this one here. See ya. Jamaica Bay bobsled. Get him, Elias, get him.
When I found out he's still on the line.
This guy just twisted up all in a circle, man. He's doing loops here. He's pulling like a 31, 32-inch bass on the live bunker. All live bunker today. Tried the tubing worms, it's very quiet. Let me get a better angle on this guy. He had a nice ride there for a minute, it was great. Good going, man.
You saw that fish?
Maybe if you had a real fishing rod, you had a chance of getting it in.
Oh my God!
It's about time, man. Jeez, we were working hard at this. I got my gaff if you need it. There you go. It's the only way to do it. He's going to end up on the other side of the kayak, I know it. Man, it seems to be the name of the game. Just find the bunker and look out. They're all nice. What, are you kidding me? Oh, yeah! It is nice, dude.
Whoa!
There you go. That's a fat one, dude.
Oh my goodness!
I think I'm closer to 20 than 15 there.
I think that might be 40.
I didn't see. All I see is the tail. Can't even pick it up.
Jesus Christ! Oh yeah!
Let's see. Get that thing up. Get the head up.
Oh my goodness! I don't want to break the net.
That net's got some holes in it too, I noticed. You make me nervous with that net.
Oh man, look at this.
That's what we want.
I think that's 40 inches.
You're going to break that net. You better turn
I
it.
know, I'm opening the hatch. I'm dumping them in the hatch.
You're insane.
Yeah, baby. Hold on.
I just gave the whole area up, so I'm not going to tape any of it.